Welcome back. Building on the idea that functions are objects, we now explore a powerful organizational feature: nested functions. This means defining one function entirely inside the body of another function. This is often used to hide helper functions that are only relevant to the outer function. 1. Defining the nested function. Inside the outer function, process_data, we define a helper function, clean_text. This inner function is local to process_data. It follows the exact same syntax: the def, keyword, a name, and an indented body. Two, scope of the nested function. The inner function, clean_text, can only be called from inside the outer function. If you try to call clean_text from the global scope, you will get a name error because it is a local object of the outer function. This protects the helper function from being misused externally. Three, accessing outer variables. A key advantage is that the inner function can access variables defined in its enclosing or outer function, even if those variables were not passed as parameters. This creates what is known as a closure, which is a fundamental concept in advanced Python. To summarize, use nested functions for better code organization when a function needs complex helper logic that should not be visible or accessible to the rest of the program. Our next lecture 12:09. Function as parameter to another. See you there.